Welcome back to Easy Learn Computer with Ayaz. Today we're going to explore something truly fascinating, a vision of the future that's already unfolding. You might have heard the phrase echoes of tomorrow, but what does it really mean? October 5th, 2025. It's not just a date. It's a symbol of how fast technology, especially artificial intelligence, is changing our world. From AI creating art to computers that can think almost like humans, the future isn't coming tomorrow. It's starting today. So, in this video, let's decode what's really happening behind this digital transformation, and how it's going to shape the next chapter of human life.
October 5th, 2025. The day the world changed its digital rhythm, technology began to echo beyond imagination.
Intelligence stopped being a tool and started becoming our creative partner.
Students across the world now learn together in virtual reality. Education has no walls anymore.
Computers now calculate the impossible. What once took years, they solve in seconds.
AI now powers your home, your car, your life. From smart homes to emotional assistants, the digital age breathes.
Every device, every click, every whisper, connected. Data binds humanity in one intelligent web.
The future is not human versus AI. It's human with AI. CO, creating tomorrow.
This is Easy Learn Computer with Ayaz, inspiring you for the future. Subscribe to explore tomorrow's technology today.
If this video helped you, please like and share. And don't forget to subscribe for more computer tips and tricks from Easy Learn Computer with Ayaz.